Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about a makeup tutorial, and this makeup look is makeup no makeup look. This can be done by girls who are going to college and office on daily basis. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing this channel, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, the important thing in this makeup look is you need to do your skin prep very properly, and you need to wash your face, then apply toner, and then good amount of moisturizer, and the last one is sunscreen. Once your skin is properly prepped, then we will start the makeup. So for first thing, I am going to use a CC cream. This is Lakme 925 cc cream, and this is in the shade of beige. So I'm taking that much amount and apply all over the face with the help of beauty blender. I'm using PAC's beauty blender for this. Now our base is done. I'm using NYX concealer to hide any pigmentation over the face. So first of all, I'll use it under eyes. Sides of mouth. Wherever you have pigmentation, you can apply this. Then after that, I will use Color Bar Compact to set the base. Then I'm using blush from Sugar, and this is 01 Peach Pink on your apple of cheeks. Little bit the leftover the brush I am applying on nose, forehead and chin. Now I'm using eyebrow kit from Miss Claire. You can clearly see the difference. Now I'm applying eyeliner, and for that I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal. Now I'm using L'Oreal eyeliner for making the wing. Now I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. And at the last, I'm using highlighter, and the name is Master Strobing Stick. So I'm applying it over the high points of cheek. Nose tip and nose bridge, forehead, cupid bow and chin. I'm using L'Oreal Paris lip liner and the number is 630, beige NU. The shade is just the shade of lips, so that there is no harsh outline. The lipstick which I am using is from Maybelline and the number is 665. So this is the makeup look, which is makeup no makeup look. So I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys.